We have completed the series airship nonlinear dynamic stability analysis. In the last video, we were checking the dynamic stability of the airship. One of our user, the couple, he shared one comment that you may check thrust forces. They may create some negative moments to reduce the pitching angle, as the pitching angle continuously increasing and increasing over the time. Since pitching angle was increasing, we need to have some solution for it, or some modification, or some change in parameter in our MATLAB code. To do that, I have gone through many references. One of the reference is this Kirchner and Nicolai Volume 2 Airship Design and Case Studies, Fundamentals of Aircraft and Airship Design. Generally, the center of buoyancy should be slightly aft of the center of gravity, or center of buoyancy should be beyond the center of gravity. So center of gravity will be ahead of the center of buoyancy. And how much it should be ahead of the center of buoyancy, what are the typical range? So typically in x direction it is from 0.5 to 2 meters, and from in the z direction from 1 to 6 meters. Now let us come back to the MATLAB environment. In the MATLAB environment, we are going to implement the comments by the user, the couple, and from his comment, these are the parameters we can change: xg and zg distances along with the thrust forces. So typically for S500 airship, thrust force due to duct fans are in the range of 4000 to 6000, and thrust force due to turboprop are in the range of 2000 to 4000. So we are choosing 4000 for the thrust due to ducted fans, and 2000 Newton for the thrust due to turboprops. So these are the values I have changed from 1 earlier it was 1 and 1, now it has 4000 and 2000. Once it has changed, and I also varied the distance from xcg location, which was earlier 0.00, and I have changed it to 1.7 meter, as typical range varies from 0.5 to 2 meters. So we are opting for 1 meter and 2 meter, and in between that, like first start with the first x distance 1.0 meter away from it. Let's check the Euler's angles behavior and see the response. So now with the change in center of gravity location 1 meter ahead, we are getting the response of the system. So this is the response we are getting. Still there is a slightly upward, pitching angle, that is around 0.05, or around approximately 2 degrees, 2.5 degrees. So we need to reduce that. So to reduce that, or reduce the pitching moment, as seen here, if we increase the distance between CB and CG, the nose down moment will increase, and as nose down will increase, this nose up will be reduced. So we are going to change the location from 1.0 to 1.5, and now let's see the response of the system. So 1.5 we are changing, and with the 1.5, as you can clearly see, the response is now reduced from 0.05 to 0.015, and which is very close to 0.855 degrees. So we can slightly reduce more by increasing the distance between CG and center of buoyancy. So we will increase it to 1.75, and let's see the response. I think it should be more close to 0, and if it is more close to 0, that is more appropriate for us. And as you can see, now it's in the order of 10 to the power minus 3, which is very close to 0. To increase the time interval for the simulation, we can go here, like we can increase for 150 seconds. Let's see how the system will behave after 150 seconds. So now after 150 seconds, this is the overall system response at the distance 1.7 centimeter 1.7 meter ahead of the center of buoyancy. So ultimately, overall, see, dynamically it is converging and showing stable response, and pitching angle is slightly converging towards some number, which we'll eventually see in some moments. and which is coming out to be approximately converging around 0.01 or 0.011 radian, which is approximately equal to 0.57 degrees. Now 0.57 degrees is still a quite a positive number. We can also reduce this by increasing some of the numbers, like from 1.7 to 1.8 we can check. Now as you can see here, the system is more in the negative side rather than in the positive side. So once it will converge, it will go more close and close to the zero. So 1.8 meter distance from the center of buoyancy in the positive direction or towards the nose is pretty good number or pretty acceptable number, which is reasonably giving the right answer for us, or reasonably giving the right value of center of gravity, so that the entire system or entire airship showing the dynamically stable response. Ultimately our system is dynamically stable and it is converging towards some value. I would like to thank the couple who has shared the comment and gave me the insight to resolve the issues from the S500 airship.